everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart with a box of goodies. So this is from the Little Birdie shop, Little Birdie. And they had a huge clearance sale. Now, I did not go crazy. I really tried to stick with things that I really thought that I could use. Almost everything was $1. I have like one thing that I bought that was $3, which I didn't realize. And then a couple of things, like 3 things were $2. So everything else was $1. So, so let me get out everything that I got. All right, so I think all of these decoupage sheets, I think I might have bought one for $3 and one for $2, and the rest were $1. And normally these are, you know, a little pricey, so you have to. So these are really great for art journaling. You know, if you want a simple page, you can put something like this down and then accent it with like a white gesso and maybe, you know, one of the bird cage. I have a bird cage from Tim Holtz that might be cute. You could use it as decoupage. You can accent it. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of, you know, art journaling. So these are kind of really great for that. And they were super cheap. So I'll find a way to use them. Or I'll give them away. Maybe I'll give some of them away. I don't know. Because you get this one, you get 4 sheets, 2 designs. So this one is, I don't know. They probably have names, but I don't know what they are. So apparently I got a couple of this one. I don't remember ordering that many of that one. But here is this one. I really like this big sort of teacup image. I've got that. I've got this teacups, which is a little different. It says cafe. So I liked those. This one. So there's that. I have these cupcakes. And this red rose. So those are really, really fun. Let's see here. All right, so in there, try to make room here. All right, so some stencils. So I think, like I said, everything was $1, except I have one thing in this mess that's $3 and 2 things that are $2. Otherwise, everything's $1. So, so it's a feather stencil. These are 4 by 7 stencils. Here's this one. And then these words. So I really was excited about those because those are pretty useful. Couple of, see, these are like a thinner, this one's like a thinner sort of chipboard. I think these are really great for the front of mini albums. I think they're really good for that. So it's a primed chipboard. So I don't know if that means it just is easier to take paint, but I did get 2 of those. And then I got this one that is a window, and then this brick. I've got a couple of flowers. I got these because I like the little ones. Sometimes the little ones are nice to accent. So this is like a teal or mint, maybe mint and teal. This is pink and then red. And then I've got this Aqua Melody embellishments. And then this True Love. And then this one, which is Poppies and Roses. And the Burlap Ribbon. They call it Burlap Ribbon, but it's nice to cut pieces of this off for different projects. And then in here, I have no idea the quality of the stuff, but just plain here. This is mica flakes. and it's in silver. And then here's mica flakes in natural. So you can add that to paint or whatever. And then I've got these beads. So this one is metal micro beads in slate. And then this one is in like a pink. It's called Mystique Rose. And this one is in black. Ebony Black is what it's called. Over in the side. And then 2 paints. I got this one, which is teal, and then this one, which is icy blue, and then black gesso, which I don't have. So that's from Little Birdie, and it is, let's see here, the Aqua Medley Ephemera was $2, or it must have been $1 each, but I got 2 of them. The Dancing Script Square Frame, I thought it was $2, but they were $1 each, and apparently I got 2 of them. Yeah, so just about everything I bought was $1. So it's $33 plus shipping and tax. So pretty good deal, pretty happy. So maybe check out Little Birdie. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Playing with the Heart.